The chemical name of vinegar is. Answer is option C, acetic acid. Friends, the chemical name of vinegar is acetic acid. Acetic acid is also called ethanoic acid and chemical formula is CH3COOH. Baking soda is a bicarbonate of which of the following metals? Answer is option A, sodium. Friends, if you understand in detail, sodium bicarbonate NaHCO3 is known as baking soda. It is a white colored salt of sodium, also known as sodium hydrogen carbonate. Blank is a famous dance form of Assam located in northeast India, which means body of dance. Answer is option A, Satriya. Who discovered the blood groups? Answer is option D, Karl Landsteiner. Friends, ABO grouping of blood was discovered in 1901 by Karl Landsteiner. Based on the presence or absence of antigens on the RBCs, namely A and B, blood grouping is done. Landsteiner discovered the ABO blood group system by mixing the red cells and serum of each of his staff. The Hindustan Socialist Republican Association was founded in. Answer is option B, 1928. Friends, if you understand in detail, the Hindustan Socialist Republican Association was inspired by socialist and Marxist ideals and it advocated for a revolution to overthrow British rule and establish a socialist republic. Some of the most prominent members of the Hindustan Socialist Republican Association included Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Sukhdev Thapar and Rajguru. Hindustan Socialist Republican Association was founded in 1928. When was Project Tiger started in India? Answer is option D, 1973. Friends, Project Tiger is a tiger conservation program launched in April 1973 by the Government of India under the Wildlife Protection Act 1972. The first director of the project was Kailash Sankla. All the project tigers are governed and managed by a committee called the National Tiger Conservation Authority. There are a total of 50 tiger reserves in India which was governed by Project Tiger. Plants grown at which of the following places take up carbon dioxide during the night? Answer is option C, desert. In blank, a subsidiary alliance system was imposed on Awadh by the British. Answer is option C, 1801. Friends, the subsidiary alliance had been imposed on Awadh in 1801. By the terms of the alliance, the Nawab had to disband its military force and allow the British to position its troops within the kingdom and act in accordance with the advice of the British resident who was now to be attached to the court. Subsidiary alliance was a system devised by Lord Wellesley in 1798. Which of the following dance forms does not belong to Rajasthan? Answer is option A, Lavani. Friends, Ghumar is a traditional folk dance of Rajasthan. It was earlier performed by the Bhil tribe to worship goddess Saraswati, which was later embraced by other Rajasthani communities. Kalbelia is a folk dance performed by women of the Kalbelia tribe of Rajasthan. The customs and dance movements are similar to that of serpents. Gangaur is a folk dance from Rajasthan. It is celebrated during the Gangaur festival in Rajasthan. Which of the following options conveys the meaning of the word republic in the Indian Constitution? Answer is option B, elected head. Born in India, Made in England is an autobiography of Balraj Khanna. For which of the following art forms is he known? Answer is option D, painting. Friends, if you understand in detail, Indian author and painter Balraj Khanna was born in 1940 in Punjab, India. Since 1965, he has lived in England and France. Born in India, Made in England is an autobiography of Balraj Khanna published in 2021. How many styles of wrestling are there in the Olympics? Answer is option C, 2. Friends, there are two styles of wrestling in the Olympics: freestyle wrestling and Greco-Roman wrestling. Freestyle wrestling has been an Olympic sport since 1904. Greco-Roman wrestling has been an Olympic sport since 1896. The downhill movement of rock and soil under the direct influence of gravity is called. Answer is option A, mass wasting. The folk dance form Gaur Maria is native of which state in India? Answer is option D, Chhattisgarh. The electromagnetic spectrum describes the full range of light that is generally divided into blank regions of wavelength and in the order of increasing energy and frequency. Answer is option B, 7. When was the Secretary of State for India made responsible for the government of British India by bringing about changes in the home government? Answer is option D, 1858. Friends, if you understand in detail, in 1858, the British government passed the Government of India Act, which transferred the administration of India from the East India Company to the British Crown. As a result, the Secretary of State for India was made responsible for the government of British India by bringing about changes in the home government. This act also abolished the East India Company and established the British Raj in India. Which of the following diseases is caused by a parasitic worm? Answer is option C, Ascariasis. Who is the father of personal computer? Answer is option A, Henry Edward Robert. Friends, Henry Edward Roberts is considered the father of the personal computer. He is the one who coined the term personal computer. Personal computers are also called microcomputers. Roberts released the Altair 8800 in 1974. Which among the following acts established the dual system of control by the British government and the East India Company in India? Answer is option D, Pitt's India Act 1784. The power to dissolve Lok Sabha rests with. Answer is option B, the President. Friends, according to Article 85 2B of the Constitution of India, the President of India has the ultimate power to dissolve the Lok Sabha. The Lok Sabha has a term of 5 years, but if the concerned authority wants, it can be dissolved earlier. Lok Sabha comes under Article 81.